Welcome to the Mythical Whalers development log. Since the last update, we've been focusing more on adding some content to the game, as we've been getting more and more of the kind of foundational systems in place. We've been able to transition more from building the skeleton, and we've been able to start adding some meat to the game. These are some of the new mer enemies that we've added. There's new individualized sprites for the different crewmates, and we're working on animating them all. As you'll see here shortly, there's the ability for the player to pick up and add resources by interacting with various objects in the game. I'm going to build a system, I think, where there's a pop-up when you interact with these objects, which will give you a choice with how to interact with them. So instead of, like, you'll see the player will go here, get the whale, receive some food as a resource, they'll be able to have a choice whether or not to kill the whale or to just observe it. Okay, so here, oh man, we're going through this real quick. That's the inventory system for the player, where they'll be able to equip different equipment into their inventories, like in something like Diablo. Fairly common in RPGs. Okay, so here there's the ability for the player to loot these houses, but then that'll anger the the neighboring guards, which will result in this attack here. You'll notice that the background for the battle scene there is still the ship, but we'll change that to like a grassy battlefield. We'll have different battlefields, I think, for the different respective biomes. Yeah, I'm trying to keep these shorter as to not drag on and waste people's time, but yeah, hopefully you guys have enjoyed. Cheers.